gonna have to get there too. I just don't want to carry it together because it's too heavy.
We have it all here, or we have the trash.
Hold on, we just got hit. Hold on. We just got hit.
Oh my gosh.
Did they turn into your lane?
Yes.
So me and Hunter passed this guy on 395, and I kid you not, he was driven all the way down here. This is Bear Valley and Cottonwood, in his truck backwards. I can't believe it.
Jesus. You need to get in your lane. What are you doing?
Comparing.
Ah! Ah!
What the world? Got a fight going on here now. To rip him up out of that car. Welcome to Altoona. This is great. Got the car going 100 miles an hour with the wheel there. Look out. He gonna beat the living crap out of this dude here in a minute. Welcome to America. Excuse me, sir, you've left your car and drive. Alrighty. He hit her about right here at a $190. Shot her out through the weeds, went flying through there and hit that shed. I got to watch it all from in there. It's amazing.
I'm afraid to get short of the whole my lane. Out on the way.
What happened?
You tell me.
I need a new car.
Here, come over here, buddy. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You all right?
Damn. Yeah, I'm alright.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed
Fucked
pills?
up. Yeah.
Okay.
Here, let me get
No,
my
no, no.
phone.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay?
I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yep.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah? All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
Alright.
All right.
So am I going in the ambulance?
They're going to come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
Oh!
Wer bist du? Du bist im Grunde genommen ein Zollständig von der Börse, aber eigentlich ein Henker, der aus dem Himmel kommt. Bobby! Bobby! Bobby Digital!